Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. So, here we are with a very bad break in my nail. And I've actually had this break for quite a while, and I've been doing this method until that break went all the way down. So here I'm going to be using my Mia Secret primer and bonder, and also my awesome, really special glue. Next, I'm going to be using my clear acrylic, and this is just a Mia Secret. I do like the Mia Secret. I find that it goes on really well. The acrylic clear powder, and then I have my activating spray. So you want to make sure your nail is completely free of all kinds of oils and nail polish. I used my dehydrator, and next I'm putting on a coat of the bonder. This will help for this acrylic powder to adhere much better, you guys. It's very important. Make sure you give it about 30 seconds or so to dry. Next, I'm going to apply a nice thin layer of the glue, and you want to make sure you get this all around the nail, and you want to go just below the cuticle and then dip your nail into the acrylic powder real quick. I also like to apply another layer of the glue on top of the acrylic powder. As you can see, some of that powder did not quite soak into the glue, so you want to make sure you cover that with another thin layer of glue before you go ahead and use the activator spray to dry it. So here again, I'm applying yet another coat of glue, and I'm going to dip my nail into the powder one more time. You want to do this maybe 2 to 3 times, especially when you have such bad cracks into the nails. But I do promise you guys, this method really works. I've actually given up the fiberglass or silk method because I find that this holds even better. I mean, this break was really far down into the nail bed, and it grew all the way out. I just want to make sure that I grow it all the way out. So again, you're repeating the steps with the dip and then applying the glue on top again, and now I'm just using the activator to make sure that's all nice and dry. Next, you want to make sure you brush some of that excess acrylic powder, and I do want to show you an extra step. If you really want this nail to stay on, you can also apply the glue and the acrylic clear powder underneath the nail. I do find this helps tremendously as well because you're securing it from the top and from the underneath side. So you're just going to do the same exact thing just underneath the nail, but you don't want to apply as many coats here because you don't want that to be very thick underneath the nail. So just one coat should be sufficient, and activator spray to get that all cleared. And I also think I did another coat here apparently, so I did 3 layers on the top of the nail just for safety measures. And you're just repeating again the glue, the acrylic powder, and then the glue again, and activate. I do like the look of a smooth nail, so I'm just shaping it a little bit and smoothing it out with my block buffer, which is super old, but it does work, and I only use it on myself, so it's just what it is. You guys know how the block buffers get, especially if you use them on your own nails. But just to make sure that there's no little lumps or bumps, go ahead and buff it out if you'd like, and that's pretty much it. And you can also use a little bit of cuticle oil just to make sure that your nails are not so dry, because as you can see, mine are a little bit dry just from the activator and the stuff that I was using on my nails. So it does make your cuticles a little bit on the dry side. And if you want to apply your top coat, you can go ahead and do that. And there you guys have it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget, again, subscribe, comment, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Bye.